Thanks. Hello. It's wonderful that many of the tips that I have are covered by improvements that we are told about today and probably tomorrow. Calc. When you talk about spreadsheets, you talk about data and preferably a lot of data. And what's the challenge? Managing quantity. And Bayram, group, ungroup, rows and columns. It's one of the important stuff to manage a lot of data. Another thing is, of course, the view, freeze columns and rows. It's already been mentioned. And another thing is hiding of columns, but that's hidden in the context menu. That's one of the important things when you manage a lot of data to be there. When you have a lot of data, you have to get through it, and then the keyboard helps, Control Home, Control End, we all know those. But it happens that I'm somewhere in the middle of a spreadsheet, and I want to go back there later on, but I have to go home to the home or to the end of the sheet. And typically I just put in some X's in an empty cell, whatever, and control arrow, I get back to the same position fast. Or what you can do as well is an undo later on, and you will jump back to that same position. That are the simple tricks to go to certain positions fast. Limiting the quantity when you do an export as PDF, talking about cooperation. The PDF sharing itself, it's easy. And we've even heard about improvements that the PDF options will be available shortly. Limiting the quantity of your PDF export comes with print ranges. And print ranges are defined, insert defined, and you click the more options at the bottom of the dialog, and you can select a print range. And typically when you do a PDF export, I'm not sure if it's by default, but doing a PDF export, you can choose print ranges. Then communication comments, we already know them. Formatting of cell styles. Yeah, I love styles. It allows you to do beautiful formatting in a consistent way. And luckily, cell styles are available in Calc online. To create new cell styles, an easy trick is you select a cell, and on the left you see a screenshot of in the sidebar. On the right side of the drop down for the styles, there's a widget, and you can create a new cell style just from the selection. That's a useful one, and then you can use the same formatting on other positions. Talking about formatting, conditional formatting, it is improved. It gets easier accessible with the default settings, but conditional formatting is also linked to, in some cases, to cell styles that you choose, that you can use to have the final formatting. Protecting sheets and cells, yeah, that's if you have done some beautiful work and you want to be it to be locked so that not anyone can randomly change it. Format cells starts the possibility to set the cell protecting, and finally the protecting is activated by setting the protecting on the sheet. I think it's almost the last. Filtering, sorting of data. I think people know those, and it's really fast if you use the search fields in the drop down, because it's so easy, and it really brings you to certain, multiple, a single item, whatever you're looking for, and you can easily select that. And the final thing that I want you to know is pivot tables in combination with charts, and that's a feature that has been developed over the past years. And we all know that pivot tables still get improved, but the combination with charts, it's really helpful to have access to the data. That's it for now.